bright, the particles start to marvel, having made it through the night. Never they ponder whether electric calming if you look at it right.